Hey guys, I've been so sneezy today, and I have no idea why. It just I have my nose tickles so much, and it's usually not like this at all. And it's been there all day. It's driving me crazy. Man, and I've just been like sneezing all day. I'm gonna sneeze again. um, yeah, it's so weird. I don't have any allergies or anything, so maybe hopefully not, but maybe I'm getting sick, and I'm just man. God, it is intense, like burning in my nose right now. I don't even know what. I don't even know what brought this on or anything. It's oh, it's driving me crazy. I like need to sneeze, but I can't. Anyway, sorry for the lack of actual sneezing, but I was sneezing so much earlier, and I think I think my sneezes are a little bit shy. But anyways, this is my first um video or wave, I guess. It, oh God, I'm gonna sneeze. Maybe not. Anyways, so yeah, you guys should let me know what you think of my lack of sneezes, and maybe I'll do something where there's more, oh, where there's more sneezing. Oh, it's like right there. Oh God, I need to make this sneeze come out. Hold on. Oh God. Anyways, yeah, you guys, oh, let me know what you guys think, and give me requests of things to do, sneezing wise, and I'll try my best to do them. Bye.